Hey YouTube, it's John with Workhouse Customs. We're back here in the shop. It's kind of a sad day here at Workhouse Customs. Today is the day that I've got to install a new rear tire on my Road King. I really do not like when this one is down. I like the idea of being able to get up in the middle of the night, jump on it, and go if I needed to. So it's really going to bother me until I could get this thing back on the road. I don't know. Might have to get y'all a light so you can see in there. But this tire is gone. We already got the replacement here. And yes, I'm doing this myself. I really don't trust any shops with my old motorcycles. See. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'd like to say today's video. I'm not really sure how long this is going to take, of course. I've got other obligations. But, let's see. If I can get this light in here, show y'all what's really going on. Oh yeah. It is pretty much done. Definitely got my money's worth out of that one. Yep. So I'm just replacing it with the same identical tire. It's a Dunlop. It even says Harley Davidson on it. Somewhere. Yeah. There it is. Bear with me. Old Harley Davidson. It's the identical tire that's on there now, but full of tread. So, in order to do this, I'm going to have to pretty much take everything off the back. While I'm doing it, I'm considering doing some body work here to the fender and repainting this rear fender. It has had it. It has been just touched up way too much over the years. Moving it around the shop, of course, it's getting all beat up at the bottom. And I'd like to put my solo seat back on it. Delete the sissy bar, see how that looks. Well, I'm gonna get at it now. I'll be right back with y'all. Alright, YouTube. It was a little bit of a struggle, but I finally got the sissy bar off. What an improvement, I think. Honestly, I put the sissy bar on it after I bought it for a safe spot for my daughter to ride. She's not into the motorcycles anymore, and the wife doesn't really need a sissy bar. She just hangs on for her life. Alright, that was the first step. Now I think we're going to get into taking the brake caliper off and some other things. Get her all loosened up here. Alright, let me go ahead and get after that. Be right back with you, YouTube. I can't wait to get this thing back together so I can take it for a ride. Alright, YouTube. We're now to the point where we've got to loosen up the belt tensioners. Hopefully slide that axle out and pull the wheel right on out. Let's see if I can get y'all in there with me. Right there. Then we'll move over to the other side. This one's kind of tricky. Give it a couple of turns and see where we're at. Alright, maybe a little bit more. What the hell? Alright, I've already got the axle nut loose. That's that. Let's see if I could just lift up on it here a little bit. Maybe a little tap. There it goes. I've already taken pictures where all the spacers and washers and everything goes. It's pretty much a good thing to do if you're like me and you forget. They've already dropped down to the other side there. Alright. There they go. They just hit the floor and spread out. That's alright. I got pictures. Now we just need to see if we could slide this belt off, hopefully, and pull the tire right on out. At least that's the plan. There we go. And there you have it. One rear wheel from Harley Road King removed. And honestly, it really didn't take that long. It took me longer to set up these cameras and things, but hey, I figured I'd bring y'all along with me on my journey. Alright, YouTube. Next step is going to be the most hated part. Well, actually, removing the old tire is not that difficult. Putting the new tire on the rim is the part that I dread. So, I'm going to get right on taking the old tire off the rim. Alright, YouTube, I'll be right back. Alright, got the tire laid out on a nice thick rubber mat here. Got to go in here and take my little guy off here. Okay, there it is. Yep, see? Got them off. We're going to take this little tool here and remove the core of the valve stem to let all the air out. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll get right back to you, YouTube. Okay, YouTube, 30 minutes later, this is where we're at. Took me about 30 minutes to get that old tire off of that rim, using those tools, of course. Well, let's go for getting the new one on the rim. Be right back with you, YouTube. Alright, everybody, we're back. About an hour later, here we are. I should say about an hour total. This is where we're at. We got the new tire on, the old one off, of course. There it is. Those are the only tools we needed. Some cheap Amazon spoons. I think I paid about 12 bucks for that set. Well worth it, if you ask me. It would have been over $200 in labor at the Harley dealership. And I know I ordered that tire specially. It is a Harley Davidson. I paid an extra 100 bucks for it, but $189, I'm in there. If it lasts as long as that one did, we are good. There you go, YouTube. All that's left now is to go ahead and install it back on the bike. Pretty much the reverse process of what we did earlier. I'll let y'all hang out and watch it fast forwarded. How about that? Okay, YouTube, we're back here in the shop. We got the old tire, the new tire back on. Got everything back where it goes. Got it all cleaned up. Looks pretty damn good. I think that's going to do it for this one, though. Keep an eye out for the next one where we paint the back fender before we put it back together. Alright, thanks for watching, YouTube. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ride safe, y'all.